Hello guys, my name is Jay, and if you are using Windows Insider program, then recently Windows 11 beta and dev will had an update. So after updating, when the PC restarts, then the start menu and taskbar will disappear. It has a bug. So if we bring our mouse pointer to the taskbar, then it just keep reloading. So to fix this problem, press Ctrl Shift Escape to open the task manager, then go on file and run new task, and then type cmd to open the command prompt. Now just copy and paste this command. You can take it from the description and just press enter to restart the PC. See, as the PC restarts, we can see a problem is fixed. Thanks for watching.